So today we basically just have 3 qualifying sessions, and yeah, that's it.
Cool.
They are like half an hour each, so it should be good.
Good luck.
Sweet.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
You found it?
No, it was good. Just small changes now, and then we'll go a lot faster.
Alright.
Practice too. Get it.
Close the door. Yeah.
Right, okay.
Get your block.
Come back so late, sir. Even if I have
Can one go down?
What's up?
How was it?
It was fast. Now it was good. Got a decent setup now. But, feeling really comfortable, so yeah. P1 in the second qualifying, so really stoked for that, and yeah, we got 1 more qualifying left, so we're gonna try and go even faster.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
How are you, big boy?
Like in you, bro.
You ready?
Yeah.
Sure.
Hundreds.
Breakfast of champions.
Qualified first yesterday, so we're on pole for both races, and yeah, let's try to keep it that way. I think with the new tire.
How was it? Hey?
It's hectic.
Windy.
Yeah, very windy. I was right. This messes up all the gears and everything. Making more different.
Really?
Yeah, everything's different.
Do you think you'll be ready for a race though?
Yeah, that should be good. You ready for race 1?
How's it feel?
Awesome.
Amazing.
I mean, awesome.
That's fine, doesn't matter. You
No,
want to say
awesome.
something?
Hey?
You want to say something?
Just, that was the longest 10 laps of my life.
You pulled a big gap though.
I
Hey?
tried to pull a gap in the beginning,
Yeah, you did.
but then flip. I just ran out of grip at the end.
Did you? Yeah, I noticed
Almost fell out the last corner on like this third last lap.
Eish.
From there, I just made sure I was smooth and not too
Yeah,
aggressive.
I saw your times dropped a bit, but it's fine. It's such a big gap.
Yeah.
Well done, big guy.
Stoked. Woo! I cut 0.
I'll grab one now, yeah. Good luck for the second race.
Thanks, bud.
You ready?
Yeah.
Gonna smash it.
100%.
I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. Our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know.
What happened?
Just crashed on the oil.
So there was oil on the track.
Yeah. 10-3.
You
I
believe?
went around it the first lap, and then the second lap I tried to go a bit quicker, and that was the right line, and then crash. Yeah.
So you're gonna...
Because I had a big gap already, but
Yeah, it's huge. Oh well. We get it next time. Where will you finish for the day then?
probably like 4th.
I don't think so. I think you might come 3rd. I think so.
I haven't finished the race.
So the 2 other people.
Okay, so we're gonna go celebrate the win day. So we'll see you later.